See? Okay, welcome back. This is gonna be a short one. We're gonna copy Feliz Navidad, and as always, go to Google, type Mr.Velez. Okay, Mr.Velez Virtual Music, click there, and then go to Music Tech, Song Maker, Christmas song. Click there. It's gonna take you here, and we're gonna copy the song. So I'm gonna do it right away because you have the picture. So you need to then either go to window or just switch between the two. So first note is green. You don't have to change anything in the settings, so only increase the bars or the measure, but it's in C. And the first note is G, the second beat, the second part. So it's G, see, and then we have C, and then you have to leave one empty. Then you have pink, which is B, and then you have another C, and then you have another an A. See, and then you have this is a suggested drum, but this is what is the basic for the drum is. So you're not gonna have drums in the first bar because this is the introduction, and then you start the song. See, so then the drum basic from the foundation of the drum will be bass on 1, snare on 2, snare on 4, bass on 1, snare on 2, snare on 4, bass on 1, snare on 2, snare on 4. This is the basic. So then this is the second part, which is gonna be in the third measure. This is then A in the second part of the second beat. So A, this is the second beat, the second part of the second beat, and then you have orange, and then you have red, which is C. Leave this empty. Then you have, see, you copy that. Then you have a green, and let's listen. So that's the first four bar. In the drum, this is the foundation, bass on 1, snare 2, snare 4. But you can do your variation, but I want you to leave the foundation, which is bass on 1, snare 2, snare 4. But you can add stuff around, see? Or maybe you want to add 2 more snare. It's up to you, but if you see my foundation is there, I'm not erasing the foundation. Now I'm gonna listen. See? I'm gonna let you experiment with that. Then increase the bar. Go right away, do 16 because the song will be 16 bar. And then when you go here, you're gonna see I have screenshot, so you can continue bar 5 to bar A. And this is bar A until bar A. This is the first part, which is A. This is gonna be your B section, which is bar 9 to bar 16 is the second part. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. So in here, then you can change the drum because it's a different section. Maybe use more basses, less snare. I'm gonna leave that to you, but do something different on part B, especially with the drum. So the drums that you're gonna do, it will be different from anybody, but you have to have the foundation at least on part A, which is the first 8 bars. Okay, then when you're done, record your song with the Screen App.io or whatever you want to record. Remember, here is tricky because then this is free and you don't have to sign in. You can record right away. Use browse audio because then your music will be recorded inside of your computer without any background noises. Click Chrome tab, find your song, and remember to check the share audio tab so you can have audio in your music. Click share, click record, go back to your song, play your song. I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna pretend I'm done, and go back, start recording, and then listen the preview. It's downloading right away, but listen if you have audio. I have audio, so that means it's working. Then you can save this in your file, which is gonna be in your computer, and you can share it with us in Google Classroom or save it for you. So thank you so much. Hope this was helpful. See you next time. Bye. Remember to smash the like.